Hello and welcome to all. In this video, we are going to talk about the human heart. Now, this is a picture of human heart. Our heart is look like this picture. Our heart is a very delicate organ which is protected by the rib cage. It pumps the blood throughout our body. As you can see, these are some pictures of human heart. Now, the question is, what is the position of heart and where it is located into our body? So, our heart is present slightly left side from the middle of the chest. Rib cage protects the heart and the lungs, which are the delicate organs of the body. So our heart is protected by the rib cage. Now, as I have told you that our heart pumps the blood throughout the body. Into the blood, there is oxygen and nutrients. The food that we consume gives us nutrients, which is very essential for the growth of the body. And when we breathe in, then oxygen goes into the lungs, and this oxygen mixes with the blood, and this blood is pumped through the heart to the different parts of the body. As you can see in the picture, there is a air pump, and with this air pump we fill the air into the tube of a tire. In the same way, our heart pumps the blood into the different parts of the body with the help of arteries and veins. Now this is an artery, and in this artery, as you can see, that blood particles are being transported. So there is blood which is being transported in the arteries. Now let us talk about the structure of the heart. So we can divide the heart into two parts, the left part and the right part. Now there are four chambers into our heart. There are basically four chambers: number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So there are four chambers into the human heart. Now let us talk about the first two upper chambers. The top upper chambers, they are called the atrium. So this is the right atrium and this is the left atrium. And the bottom two chambers, they are called the ventricles. So this is the right ventricles and this is the left ventricle. So there are basically four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. Now there are some valves. What are valves? Valves are like the doors. These are the valves. There are four valves into our heart. As we can open and shut the door, valves can also be open and they get closed, and they let the blood enter from one chamber to another. As you can see that when valves open, the blood enter from one chamber to another. Now let's talk about that how our heart functions. So first of all, the deoxygenated blood, the blood which has poor quantity of oxygen, enters into the right atrium. As you can see here, first of all, the blood enters into the right atrium. This blood has poor quantity of oxygen. Then through this valve it enters into the right ventricle. Into the right ventricle, this blood goes into the lungs with the help of veins. As you can see in this picture, the blood goes into the lungs, the blood which has poor quantity of oxygen. In the lungs, the oxygen is present, thus the blood is mixed with the oxygen and then it comes back into the heart. As you can see here that these are the blood particles and they get mixed with the oxygen present into the lungs, and then they get oxygen rich blood. This oxygen rich blood then enters again into the heart. Now when the blood is mixed with the oxygen, it enters again into the left atrium. and then it goes into the left ventricle with the help of this valve, where it is supplied into the body, into the different parts of the body with the help of arteries. As you can see here, and I have also discussed into the previous video, that there are three types of blood vessels. The first is artery, second is veins, and the third category is capillaries. Arteries are represented by the red color. They are the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood, the blood which has a rich quantity of oxygen, to the different parts of the body from the heart. Veins are the blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood, the blood which has poor quantity of oxygen. It carries that blood from the different parts of the body to the heart. And capillaries are the blood vessels that are very thin and hair-like structure, and they connect arteries to the veins. Do you know that how much a human heart weighs? It is about 450 gram, and our heart beats about 1 lakh times in a day. Now the question is how to keep our heart healthy. So we should do regular exercise and have a balanced diet so that we can keep our heart healthy. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone.